Mini PCs, as the name suggests, are compact versions of standard desktop PCs. Though that might sound like a simple definition, a huge variety of hardware is available within this category. For some folks, mini PCs could be the perfect personal computer. In this video, we've listed the best mini PCs for everything from home entertainment to gaming and professional workstations. So let's dive in and explore the top 5 best mini PCs in 2023. For more information on the product, we've included a link in the description box down below. Hey, if you just joined this channel and you like what you see, please click the subscribe button below. Let's get started it. Number 5. Geekom Mini IT11. Space is an invaluable but limited asset, and Geekom aims to maximize it with its Mini IT11 PC. With a case thickness of 45.6 millimeters, the Mini IT11 is a bit thicker than the cheaper and less powerful Mini Air 11. If you decide to buy the Mini IT11, you will have to pay just $765 for an Intel Core i7-11390H 4 cores 8 thread processor, 2 TB of SSD, and an expandable 32 GB of RAM. Small mini PC comes equipped with Intel Iris Xe graphics in a stunning 4K UHD resolution display and supports up to 8K UHD resolution, bringing a striking visual. As you may expect, it struggles with graphically intensive tasks such as AAA game titles, because it only has the Intel Iris Xe to run graphics. For its size, it's impressive how much Geekom was able to squeeze into the small case. There are a total of 9 ports, including 1 HDMI, 1 mini DisplayPort, 2 USB 4 ports, 3 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, a standard headset jack, and an Ethernet port. Geekom also snuck in an SD card reader and Kensington security slot on either side, ensuring that you'll have at least one of everything needed for most uses. Overall, if you're looking for a great mini PC that can cope with powering your productivity while saving on space, or you want a device that will work in perfect harmony with your home theater, then the Mini IT11 has you covered. Number 4. Beelink GTR6 Mini. Beelink recently released something small but extremely powerful. The Beelink GTR6 is the zenith of high-end configuration into something really small. It is outfitted with a full-fledged AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX processor, an 8-core, 16-thread CPU structure. One of the features of this processor is the integrated 12-core Radeon 680M graphics unit. The PC is equipped with an NVMe SSD, 512 GB, and two 16 GB of LPDDR5 rated at 4800 MHz. There's even a place to install another NVMe SSD. With idle power consumption at close to 10 watts, this unit is just so much fun. You will be surprised to see what this product offers in terms of overall performance. You can buy all of these specifications for $889. For port connectors, it has 3 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, a 3.5mm audio socket, a USB Type-C port, and 4 HDMI 2.1 outputs that allow for the display of 4 displays up to 8K resolution. Overall, the Beelink GTR6 performed well. We thought this was going to be a minor upgrade over the GTR5, but it ended up touching almost the entire system, with only a few common features like the form factor. Number 3. Intel NUC12 Pro. This Intel NUC12 Extreme Phantom Canyon stands out for having the space to accommodate a full-size desktop graphics card inside. The trim chassis is easy to store in tight spaces. It comes with a capable 12th generation Intel Core processor and integrated graphics inside. For $1,100, you already get 32 GB of RAM and 1 TB of SSD storage. You also need to buy a Microsoft Windows license separately. Those extra costs, along with that of a monitor, keyboard, and mouse, add up and mean you can't buy this PC and expect to use it straight out of the box. But this is the ultimate system you can customize as your own. The chassis has a ton of ports on the front and the back, including USB Type-C and USB Type-A connectors and a convenient SDXC memory card slot. Plus, it supports Bluetooth 5.2, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi 6E for fast connectivity. It also supports 7.1 channel audio. Vents keep the internal components cool. While this system requires a bit of work and expense to get where you want it to go, you can fully tailor it to your needs. Number 2. MinisForum Elitemini X500. The MinisForum Elitemini X500 ticks the right boxes as it's affordable yet powerful, palm-sized yet thermal efficient. Powering it all is an exceptionally fast AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX with 8 cores and 16 threads combined with AMD Radeon 680M. So, this PC is ready to take on some demanding needs, games included. The 32GB of RAM and 1TB of storage pair perfectly with that processor and should be plenty for the average user, making it a multitasking maven. You can buy all of these specifications for $829. While you're stuck with the CPU, the MinisForum Elite Mini X500 is very upgradable thanks to 2 DDR4 slots to amp the memory up to 64GB, along with an M2 SATA SSD slot, a 2.5-inch HDD slot, and an SD card slot for additional storage. Beyond that, this machine packs tons of connectivity, including an Ethernet port, 4 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A, 2 HDMI 4K at 60Hz ports, 1 USB 3.2 Type C, 1 USB 4 Type C, a 3.5mm combo jack, a power button, and clear CMOS. Overall, the MinisForum X500 remains a very competitive mini PC, thanks to the high-performance processor which you would normally find inside a desktop PC. Number 1. Apple Mac Mini M2 2023. The 2023 M2 Mac Mini is a shockingly good value small computer. Equipped with the latest Apple Silicon system on chip, the Mac Mini could easily be on top of our list. While technically speaking, the Mac Mini isn't a mini PC, this ARM-based machine can do almost everything its PC rivals can do, and even excels in some tasks. Notably, the M2 chip is far more power efficient than the x86 architecture found in most PCs. It runs a complete version of macOS and can even handle Windows on ARM using virtualization software like Parallels Desktop. For the price of $747, you get 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of SSD storage. For everyday browsing and general use, an M2 Mac Mini with 8 GB of memory is good enough. Though if you plan to use yours for professional photo and video editing or app development, you should step up to 16 GB of memory. Apple's internal storage upgrades are pricey enough that you should look at an external hard drive or a portable SSD if you need more space. Be aware that the Mac Mini isn't upgradable, so you're stuck with the RAM and storage capacity you select at checkout. In terms connectivity, on the back of the unit are 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 2 USB 3.0 Type A ports, an HDMI 2.1 port, a gigabit Ethernet port, and a standard stereo jack. The machine also comes with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. Overall, the Mac Mini is a particularly good buy if you don't own a Mac and simply want a budget-friendly entry point to Apple's ecosystem. Performance in video and photo editing is excellent, and the 10-core GPU flies in 3D applications optimized for Apple's Metal API.